So a few days ago I received an email from a person saying that they had recently purchased the same monitor that I use for all my photography needs, such as using Lightroom and Photoshop, the BenQ SW272U. But they were experiencing a bit of an issue. In the email they said that they had calibrated the monitor for two separate workflows, printing and everyday work such as retouching, both of which had been set to calibrations 1 and calibration 2 in the Palette Master Ultimate software, but when they used buttons 1 and 2 on the wireless Hot Key Puk, the display didn't change between the calibrations. Now this is a very simple fix, but first of all let me just clarify something. Okay, so when calibrating the monitor using BenQ's Palette Master Ultimate software, as it's a hardware calibrated display, you can store 3 different calibrations for 3 different use cases. In my workflow, I have my monitor calibrated using specific settings that give the best results for when retouching and printing images, and I have a general day-to-day calibration that uses different settings to give the best viewing experience when browsing the internet, watching videos, and so on. In the BenQ Palette Master Ultimate software, you can assign a calibration to either calibration 1, 2, or 3 during the screen calibration process to make it easier to switch between them, and you can do that by either pressing the Color Mode button on the front underside of the display, or, a way more convenient way, using buttons 1, 2, or 3 on the Hot Key Puk. However, if the buttons 1, 2 or 3 don't change between the stored calibrations, you just need to make a very simple change to the display settings. So on the Hot Key Puk, press down the center dial. This brings up the display settings. Then rotate the center dial to choose the Custom Key menu. Press down the center dial to make changes in the Custom Key menu. Rotate the dial to the shortcut 1, 2, 3 menu option and press down the dial to select it. Go to the Color Mode option and press down the center dial. Note that in this section there must be 3 menu options ticked, but there cannot be more, so in this case here you can see that calibration 1 and 2 are greyed out. To make it possible to turn them on, I need to first of all untick other menu options, such as in this case Paper Color Sync and Custom. Then rotate the dial to scroll down to calibration 1 and press down the dial to turn it on. If you have other calibrations you want assigned, simply scroll down to calibration 2 and press down the center dial, and if needed, also do the same for calibration 3. Then press the return key on the Hot Key Puk several times to come out of the display settings menu and close it. From now on, when you press buttons 1, 2 or 3 on the Hot Key Puk, the display will change to the corresponding calibration that you assigned during the screen calibration process. And that's it. I'll catch you in the next video.